We all have learned the concept of stamina through the feelings of our body. It is like the body is not under your command. When you are exhausted in a long-distance competition, every step is like dragging several times of your weight. Some people describe it as hitting a wall and can't move forward anymore. By using the real-time and visualized Garmin First Beat Stamina data screen, you can see the consumption and recovery of your stamina, and calculate the sustainable exercising distance or time under current strength. It can help regulate your stamina during the competition. Stamina can be regarded as the ability to continuously and stably output. At different exercise intensities, the body uses different energy systems and metabolic systems to support your exercise. Garmin First Beat Stamina data screen will consider these important physiological systems. Based on your training record, aerobic and anaerobic ability, it will provide personalized stamina data. Before using Stamina data screen, please turn on the heart rate record feature. And once your VO2 max measurement is complete, it will start working. It is also recommended that you confirm whether the maximum heart rate value of the device is set correctly, to get a more accurate stamina estimate. Follow the steps below to add the Stamina data screen. This video will use Run for demonstration. Select Activity Run, holding the up key to enter the activity menu. Select Run Settings. Select Data Screens. Press the up key once to scroll to the Add New page, and press the Start key to enter it. Press the down key to find Stamina. Confirm by pressing the Start key, then decide where to place it. This is how you read the Stamina data screen. The chart can be divided into two different stamina information: stamina and potential. When starting exercising, your stamina chart will be orange, red, or green. Orange means that your stamina is maintaining or gradually decreasing in currently exercising intensity. Red means that your stamina is decreasing drastically due to high-intensity exercise. Under this condition, your stamina will be overconsumed easily. Green means that your stamina is recovering due to decreased exercise intensity or resting. Black means the maximum stamina you can recover, which is the percentage value in the lower left data field. Be noted, under fast stamina consumption condition, the upper limit of potential will also be reduced faster. You can also change the upper data field to show the distance or time you can run with your current stamina. Hold the up key to enter the activity menu. Select Run Settings. Select Data Screen. Press the up or down key to scroll to the stamina page. Press the Start key and select Edit Primary. Scroll down to select Show Distance or Show Time. After that, press the back key to exit the edit mode. You can also try to customize a suitable stamina data screen for yourself. That's it. Thanks for watching.